Hi, I'm Paul Oya, and I'm here to teach you how to make Swedish pancakes. A significant portion of my family migrated from the Scandinavian countries in the late 1800s, early 1900s, and we have a family recipe that's been passed down. I know it as being from my great-grandmother who was Swedish, and she would go out and milk her cow with my dad and come back in, and they would make Swedish pancakes together. To get started, we need to figure out what we're going to use to mix our batter. I'm sure it's not the traditional way, but my preferred method is a blender. We're going to break some eggs in there. I like to start with the eggs, and I don't know about you, but I like the knuckle method to break the eggs. All right, 6 eggs. We're going to do 3 cups of milk. If you do whole milk or even milk with some cream, the more fat the better, right? I have right here about 1.5 cups of flour, and we're gonna add just a touch of vanilla and a pinch of salt. All right, we're ready to throw this on the blender and get it blended into a nice smooth batter. Oh, beautiful. We've got our batter ready. We're gonna walk over to our stove and cook some pancakes. For this pan, we're looking at just under 1/2 cup. Put a little butter on the pan. And the secret to getting them nice and thin is turning the pan as you pour that batter. Sometimes flipping them takes some practice. All right, so when your pancakes are ready, I like to put a little butter on them. Brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you prefer, but you can just put whatever you like on it. My personal preference is butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. And then I eat the berries later. But I think for closer to authentic effect, you're gonna eat your berries with your pancake. Now, true to traditional Swedish pancakes are eaten with lingonberry, usually like a lingonberry jam. You can find that in a few grocery stores and sometimes IKEA. All right, fold this in half and then you roll it. Some people like to eat them like that. You can eat it with a fork or you can fold it in half. I mean, that's kind of like the on-the-go way. Nothing falls out. And then thanks for watching and learning about my heritage, Scandinavian, and today more specifically Swedish. I hope you can enjoy some Swedish pancakes.